Subodh Gupta began using stainless steel in his practice after a flash of inspiration while standing in the kitchen one day. He considers the kitchen a sacred space, spends a lot of time there as a cook, and is familiar with the history of stainless steel in India. This material was introduced to the country's households as a relatively rare symbol of modernity. Now it has stopped being a social marker for the middle classes to become a universal presence. This installation is a commonplace visual in India. It is identical to many open-shelved utensil storage spaces seen in kitchens across the country. Gupta uses the solidity of stainless steel to interrogate conceptual ideas associated with dietary habits in Indian culture. The highly ritualized nature of dietary habits in an Indian household is supported by social mores formed over centuries. Utensils form an essential part of practicing them. By bringing out the quintessential Indian utensil from its culinary sanctum to the public eye, Gupta asks us to dwell on the habits it enables us to cultivate. Bid on this and other works by leading modern and contemporary South Asian artists at a summer online auction on 26th and 27 June 2024.